In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a welcome post for new members. This is a quick but powerful way to make your group feel friendly and organized, and to make sure every new member gets the same helpful information the moment they join. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll have an automatic welcome post set up and ready to go. First, open your Facebook group on a computer or mobile browser where you're logged in as an admin. From your group's main page, look for the Admin Tools panel. This usually appears on the left side on desktop or under the group settings area on mobile. In that panel, you'll find an option called Admin Assist. Go ahead and click on Admin Assist. This is Facebook's built-in automation tool for group admins, and it lets you set up rules and automatic actions, including welcome posts. Once you're inside Admin Assist, you'll see a list of different options and actions you can configure. Take a moment to scroll through the available tools. What you're looking for is the option labeled Publish a Welcome Post. This specific feature is designed to automatically create a post whenever new members join your group, saving you from doing it manually each time. If you don't see it immediately, slowly scroll down and check each section, because the layout can vary depending on updates and your group settings. When you've found Publish a Welcome Post, look to the right side of that option and you should see a button that says Add. Click on Add to start setting it up. Clicking this will open a configuration window where you can customize how your welcome post will look and what it will say. At this point, Facebook will usually give you a basic template for the welcome message. You can edit the text to match the tone and purpose of your group. For example, you might briefly introduce what the group is about, remind people of the most important rules, and invite them to introduce themselves in the comments. You can often include placeholders so the post automatically tags new members, making them feel personally welcomed. Once you're happy with the wording and any other available settings, confirm and save your changes. From now on, every time new members join your group, Facebook will automatically publish your welcome post according to the rule you just added. This simple setup helps you create a